Normally we talk about a toolkit that helps you fix your guitar. Today's toolkit is going to help you play guitar. This company called 9buzz reached out and asked me if I would check out their bundle of apps, and it's $15. And it's a one-time thing. This isn't $15 every month. What they did is they broke it down into 4 applications. Now first there's a feature about your modes, we'll get to that. But next we're gonna go to this is your Guitar Lick Master. This is probably my favorite feature on this. What it does is it gives you samples of all kinds of guitar licks that are based in all kinds of keys. But what's great is a lot of them are pretty, let's just say they're pretty obvious to figure out. So I'm going to show you one. This is Perry Walkin'. So obviously this is Walk This Way. And what I love about it is that you can just play the lick. Here it is. Okay, pretty straightforward. That's the lick. But not only can you play the lick like you normally can, you can hit half speed. But what's great is, let's say you want to play a blues jam, or you're playing some song backing track and you want to put this lick in there and you want to learn it. Well, now what you can do is you can break it down in these 4 parts. So here's part 1. So now you can play along. So let's do it again. Next lick. Next lick. And last lick. What's great about that is you can break down these licks into all kinds of little tricks and playing. Where's this one? There was a Led Zeppelin one that I really, really liked. Lead-footed. Check this out. That's a great lick. So I want to play this one for you. Check this out. Now, I broke that down. Now again, if you can't follow along with that, go slow. So what I did is I learned that lick, and then that brought me back to this 4th app, which is the modes. Now this is modes, and what it does, different than just playing a backing track and just telling you to play the pentatonic over, this is your modes, which is going to allow you to play in every key. And I'm going to use Lydian for this. Now watch this. I'm going to use that lick in my playing. I've applied it. So not only am I going to play along in this key, with this Lydian scale in this mode, I'm going to use that lick in my playing, and here it goes. Using this one right here. So instead of playing just that basic scale that you can play that lick. I mean, think about this. Everybody's pretty much using the same scales. It's really those embellishments and that techniques that you're putting in that's going to help you. And then of course, learning your modes. And it's not fancy by any means, but you see what I'm saying? This gives you some stuff to actually work on. You have a basic drum machine in case you want to play along, especially if you want to use a metronome. It's basically just a really fancy metronome. Pick a drum beat, and if you like it, you can put a little star next to it, and you push play. And you just play along. So obviously you can change the tempo, change beats, and if you see little icons like a crown, you can use that to purchase more drum beats and more things. This is very cool, and I've been using it. Like I said, it's right here on the pad. It works great. I've been playing along with it. Of course, you have the jam track, which is just something for fun. I think that's probably where a lot of players will just kind of spend some time just warming up your hands, playing a little bit. Now, I know you can get backing tracks on YouTube for free, and I use them all the time. They're great. However, this is in the app, so it's on your iPad or on your phone. You don't have to have the internet connected to use them, but more importantly, they're structured really well and they're really interchangeable, and it's only one piece to this equation, and I'm going to go to it right now. What I'm going to do is play something. This is in D, and this is your minor pentatonic, and they kind of laid it out, giving you the chord layout right here. That's your chords, and then here's your pentatonics. When I'm playing regularly, I just have it on the iPad. I just play along. I play quietly with my actual amp, just along with the iPad. The iPad volume is more than enough. And I also have a Bluetooth speaker, so of course I just Bluetooth it right to my speaker, and it works great. So there you go, something a little different, a little fun, instead of just a normal piece of gear, something that actually can help you play music better. I highly recommend this. As always, I want to thank you guys and 9buzz for sending out the apps. And until the next time, know your gear.